Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is basically going to be like a Ken Talks type of video. By the time I upload or this video goes up, it's going to be a week since a very tragic event happened, and so I've been motivated to talk to you guys. Yeah. So what's crazy is that a couple of days before this incident happened, I've already brainstormed an idea to come to you guys with another Ken Talks video anyways, and it was going to be on the exact same topic, which is pushing through. And then this happened, and I just felt like I really had to get this video out. I really wanted to get it out sooner, but this week has just been an incredibly hard week, and I could not get myself to do anything for a couple of days. Besides just doing pushing through my workouts and stuff like that, I couldn't be super productive because I was like just crying and just feeling really, really low. And as a disclaimer, I'm sorry for my low energy. I'm actually really trying to push through this right now because I made a promise to myself and to you guys to get videos out at least once a week. And also, regardless of how I feel, I think we have to remember the goal at hand is just to keep pushing through and living each day as, to the fullest extent. Another disclaimer is that unfortunately I'm still having audio issues, and I think my camera is going through something. So right now I'm just not using a mic, and it's probably going to sound a little bit more like an echo because I don't have a mic or anything. I'm going to work that out though. But look, it's just the funniest thing that's what happens when you kind of set your mind to something. There's going to be some obstacles, and basically that's the universe's way of asking you how bad do you want it and how bad do you really want to get this done. And I'm fighting through all these obstacles to reach my goal and keep my promise, as I said. So really this video is going to be about pushing through and what Kobe stands for, and how I'm basically processing all of this, and how I guess I'm gonna help and try my best to give you tips to push through things like this. So if you guys follow me on Snapchat, I've been trying to be a little bit more active across all my social media in general. Honestly, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be at a loss for words throughout this entire video. This is just kind of how I've been the past couple of days. I've just been really just disoriented completely. Can't find the words. My mind is just really boggled, so I apologize again in advance. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying and stuff. But so on Snapchat a couple of days ago, I was talking about how to basically change your mood and have control over your energy. And my tip was basically that sometimes you're not going to be feeling up to par, and sometimes you're going to be feeling really shitty, as I was that particular day. And instead of just doing, things as I've typically done, which is kind of watch crap TV or sleep, I got up and I worked out, and I drank a really good smoothie, and I was in a good headspace. Or I wasn't in a good headspace, but I did things to get me there, and after all of that I felt a lot better. And so my point of all of that was that sometimes, although you don't feel good, if you push yourself to do something, your behavior will then help your mindset. And that's kind of like what I did today, and I've been doing for the past couple of days. I've been pushing through yoga, pushing through meditation, pushing through workouts, and today I pushed through doing a full face of makeup. I think that art is definitely has always been a way for me to express myself, and it's always been a form of therapy for me, and makeup is art. So I sat down and I was just like, you know what, instead of filming a makeup tutorial and stuff like that, I wanted to just have a therapy session with myself and do a full face of makeup. And I knew I was going to film this video for you guys, so I was just like, you know, why not? Let's push through all of it and get it all done. And so that's what I did. So I'm sorry this video, this makeup look is not filmed. But yeah, that's basically like a really huge tip and a really big thing that's worked for me to get past mental obstacles and life obstacles as this was. Kobe Bryant means a lot to me and my childhood and who I am as a person. I don't idolize many celebrities or many people in general, but there are a number of people that I definitely look up to because they're just great human beings, and he's definitely one of those people. So when I heard the news, I was just in disbelief. I'm still in disbelief, and I think that a lot of people are, and I think that this hit people in a different way than a lot of, you know, other situations. Although very, very painful, there's no way that I think we as a people should back down and slow down in whatever we're doing, because that's just not who he was. That feels weird to say that. That's just not who he is. And I think that to honor him, it makes sense to actually push forward and push to your fullest potential. And there are a couple of things I actually wrote down in my phone. That night, I couldn't sleep, so I actually wrote down a couple of notes. So I'm going to paraphrase a little bit of what I said. I like to journal every day. Like, if I feel good, if I feel bad, if I feel I like to journal because it's just a way of getting my thoughts on paper and kind of seeing where my mind is. Because sometimes you can sit down and think, and it's just like you can't fully actually get your thoughts straight if they're all over the place in the first place. You know what I mean? So journaling has always been a form of... Oh, by the way, this is my beautiful favorite case right now, and it is from Velvet Caviar. Just wanted to let you guys know. Anyway, so I'm gonna read to you a little bit about what I wrote. So basically, I wrote about how humans in general can be very freaking amazing in every way possible. And a lot of us aren't functioning at our fullest potential. And basically, if you do function at your fullest potential and you don't shy away from opportunity and you just don't half-ass anything and don't bullshit yourself, you're going to be seen as like a superhuman because you're fighting and you're trying to reach that full potential. And that's when you get people like Kobe Bryant. And he is just like superhuman because he just dominated in every field he had. He spoke several languages. He was an amazing father, an amazing basketball player, and it would just be nonsense if him being gone means that we have to like slow down. You know what I mean? It serves as a wake-up call and it serves as motivation to really push forward. And this is tough. There was a caption that I had for a picture a couple of days ago, and it was part of what I wrote that night. And it's go out and live stronger and bolder. Push yourself and reach your highest potential just because you freaking can. Just because you're living and breathing, and right in this moment you have this time. And that's how I felt that night. I had so many mixed emotions, and I kind of still do have so many mixed emotions because just like I'm pushing through this, and I've been pushing through in the past couple of days, but at the same time I've been trying to take my time and grieve and feel all of my feelings, and that's not the easiest thing to do, but I think it's very, very necessary because it just is. If you want to feel good and if you want to fight through things, you do have to feel what you're feeling. You know, you have to process everything. Even though I have low energy, and even though I've been on the verge of tears, and even though I've been really sad, I just want to let you guys know that I'm okay, and I'm sure you're okay. Although you feel sad, and this is a tragic incident, and it's something that a lot of us are not going to heal from for a very long time, we have to just push through. And that's basically what life is just pushing through. A lot of times we're gonna get hit below the belt like this, and it's just important to find logic, find purpose, and there's no bigger purpose than the way that Kobe Bryant lived his life. And that's a huge why on why anybody should keep going, especially if you looked up to him, if he inspired you or motivated you or was a part of your life in any way. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys, or I hope you guys got the gist of what I'm trying to say and understood. We should fight and stay up, keep our heads up. Comment down below how you're feeling. If it's not about this situation, just comment down below. Let's have a conversation. I'm always open to talk to you guys. Just comment down below. Comment down below exactly how you're feeling, whether it's bad, whether it's good. Don't feel bad. Don't feel ashamed. Just comment down below, and I'm replying to all of you guys' comments. So yeah. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll see you guys in my next video.